Last Saturday morning, I packed up most of the winter gear I own in anticipation of beautiful spring weather. I was foolish. Oh, so foolish. Having lived in New England over 20 years, I should have known that actions such as these have consequences. The weather gods looked down upon my foolish acts, laughed heartily, and said, "Thou shalt not have spring!"
Merry Christmas!
I don't know what's going on with this weather. This is so strange. It's not actually that cold out, it's just snowing and being weird. But Clover's getting his exercise in before I have to go to the theater today all day. We're doing good, right, Clover?
How you doing, buddy? You doing okay in the snow? Okay, you ready? Okay. I'll get this ball. Here we go. You ready? Ready, guy? Ready? All right, here we go.
Good morning, you guys. It's VEDA day 4. Is it April 4th? I don't even know what day it is. Anyway, it's so... Oh, there's a hair. It's so gloomy and gross outside, but we're going to try and go for a walk anyway. I think it's a little bit rainy, so we'll see how Clover does.
Say good morning to the people.
Because I'm extra, I'm going to put his shoes on so that he doesn't get his paws wet. I know. I know. I like that better.
And how far apart do you want your shelves? These are all pretty wide. Do you want do you need more or less?
I think it's fine.
I think it's good. Yeah, you have the big open space or something on the bottom, big on top.
Yeah, I think potentially this is better than what's there now. They just have some
Like unfinished plywood shelves, so
we
can do this, and this will be much better for them. And they can.
I think that's it. Otherwise, let's take a look at what the installation calendar is like. Just for reference.
And it's for all these, right?
Yeah.
Would you like an email, a phone call?
Crap. So we're back. The Roomba is running. That's probably what you can hear in the background because it was just disgusting around here. Excuse me. We went to the Container Store. We had a lot of fun. Clover is sleeping. He's very tired. He went on a 3-mile walk and he went to the Container Store, and he went to Polka Dog, and he had some treats. So now he's very tired. I want to get started on today's project before I practice some music for rehearsal I have tonight. It was my only day off from the opera, and I have another rehearsal for something else, so not super excited about it, but I'm trying to be a good colleague and do my stuff. So I wanted to go and touch, can you even see it? You can't even see it. This little friend right here, this little red friend, I want to go and organize 2 of these drawers. This is Clover's drawer with his stuff in it, and this bottom one is mine. This bottom one is like the stuff that the spare stuff that I have for my purse. If you guys ever saw my how to not lose anything in your purse video, which some people said was boring in the beginning, whatever. This drawer has the rest of my purse in it, and it's gotten a little, you know, it's not that bad. It's gotten a little out of control. So I got some things from TCS while I was there to maybe organize the drawer. So just some drawer organizers, like these little clear guys, little compartments. They're kind of cute, right? And the best thing about them, oh look, I woke up the prints. The best thing about them is they're stackable, so I can sort of stack and, oh, I got this little guy too. Not really sure what I'm gonna do with it, but it was on sale, so I picked it up. I think I'm gonna put some electronic stuff in it, like some of my camera stuff for on the go, so I'm really excited about this little dude. Anyway, I'm going to get to work on that, and I will let you guys in on my organizing project. Now you all know by now, the first thing I do is take everything out. That is the name of the game. Give it a good clean and then just start putting stuff back. I was looking through a couple of my receipts there. I wasn't sure what I was saving these for, but I actually did find something that I needed to register for tax purposes. That is my old Pokemon Go Plus, and I wasn't sure if it worked. But I wanted to worry about that later, so I was just trying to figure out how to put these drawer organizers in there to fit the best. And I decided on 2 little guys. One had divided compartments and one was just open. This Pokemon Go Plus has been sitting in this drawer for a while because I have not been able to get it to work. It doesn't vibrate. Anyway, it doesn't vibrate, it just flashes this blue light, and I tried to factory reset it, but it just wasn't working, so I decided to try it with my game also to see if that worked, but again, no luck. So I just decided while I had the game open, I might as well, you know, catch a Pokemon. He was there, right? Why not catch him? Get him. Next was Clover's drawer. Again, I always start by taking everything out and giving it a good clean. That way you have a clean slate. Get it? Clean slate. Anyway, I started to experiment and I had a really hard time with this drawer. I don't know why I opened the door. I don't know what I was doing. Anyway, I just started placing things in to see what fit, to see what I really was reaching for every day. And really, it was only a few things. So I tried to limit it to those things. And you can see I went just sort of ham, just trying to figure this all out. Wasn't that bad actually, and there's a lot of trial and error, but I'll show you what happened. So this little guy down here, which is mine, turned out to be really nice. So I've got basically things, hand wipes down here. I always keep a supply of these hand wipes. I can't believe these have minions on them. They're so ugly, but hey, they're still hand wipes. I got the rest of my like car stuff, well not car stuff, but purse stuff here. I've got these, my little tissues, an extra charger, my spare car key just in case something happens, the Pokemon Go Plus. There was some drama over that, so we'll see. This is the Pokemon Go Plus like wrist strap thingamabobber. Still not sure if Pokemon Go Plus is broken or not, but we'll see. Just a little extra cash that was hanging out there. And basically some other stuff. So it was sunglasses. This is change for parking and teeth stuff and gift cards. So I normally put the change that I drop from my purse in here, and every now and again I go and exchange it for groceries. So looks like I'm gonna have to do that pretty soon. I just reused this Anthropologie mug, which had a crack in it. I've gone through 2 of these mugs and both of them cracked. So I was like, you know what? I'm never gonna use these for drinking again, but I reused it to hold coins, and it works really well. So this is basically the rest of my purse, and I can slide some more lip balms in here if I want. This is the Jack Black lip balm. I love this. I don't know why my camera cut off, but it did anyway. So that's that drawer, and this is Clover's drawer, and I think it's much better. So on the bottom, there's an empty bin because I'm gonna put spare poop bags under there, poop pickup bags. So we always buy them in bulk, so I'm just gonna stick some extra ones under there. But I left a few at top to grab. So this little compartmentalized bin I really liked. So he's got some leg warmers, he's got some leg warmers, some socks, which he doesn't wear a lot, but you know, if it's raining outside and we have to go outside real quick, I'm like, oh my gosh, put on your socks. So here's the spare poop bags. We've got his extra harness just in case the one that he wears usually is in the wash. That's what that is for. He does look cute in it also. Some wet wipes. These are just to take with me just in case I'm going somewhere and I feel like he's gonna get super dirty, or you know, he gets poop on his behind. We have some wet wipes to take with us, and these are his little shoes. This one was already in here, this little drawer divider, but I repurposed it for his little shoesies. These are the ones he wears all the time. He loves to wear them, and he looks very cute in them. And he keeps my house clean. And here's the water bottle that I usually take to the dog park, so I just went ahead and put that in there. And also, this is his treat bag for training. We're still doing some training. He has some issues with reacting to dogs on the street, so I have been lazy and not really working on that, but we're gonna start working on it again because it's getting very annoying. And that is that. So I think that worked out really well. The little red thing is happy again. The top just has some doggy wipes on it, a little ball. This is mainly for a dog walker if they come and they're not able to take them outside. You can play a little ball. Key, Pokemon Go Plus, most important thing in the world. And let's turn that so it doesn't look so terrible. And my little personal alarm. And then we got Clover's leash and collar, which is happy. So this area is much better than it was. Now the mop is going, by the way, because the floor was absolutely disgusting. So I've got a whole cycle with these guys. First it's the Roomba, then it's the mop. So I'm gonna have to figure out I'm gonna repurpose this little bamboo guy, but I'm not really sure if this is broken or not. It has been sort of broken for the past few months. It won't vibrate and it won't connect to my phone. So, oops, so I think it's broken, this little Pokemon Go Plus. And if you don't know what this is a accessory you can buy for Pokemon Go. It tracks your distance, and this little button in here catches a Pokemon and spins Pokestops for you so that you're not looking down at your phone all the time. These are really expensive though for what they are. It's like 35 bucks. But I play Pokemon Go a lot. As you can see, it's had a lot of love. I do have a spare one up there that I use all the time, but this is the first one I purchased, so I think he's broken. I'm not able to connect him, but I will double check the internet, and if it turns out it's really broken, then I'm gonna have to say goodbye. And I still have this extra little container here, so I will figure out what to do with this. If I can't figure out what to do with it, I'll just take it back to the container store. That's something that totally works. Yay! I also bought this little container for my face wiping pads for the bathroom, so I'm gonna put those in there and put that away. And I got this big guy to put under the couch because my husband he's got a horde of computers under the couch and they're driving me crazy with all the cords. So here's the sitch. Look at this. This is making me insane. Like, look at all that stuff. Look at all the laptops. So I think I'm gonna put the stuff in the bin, and then you can just pull the bin out, and I don't have to worry about the Roomba eating these cords or it looking terrible. Is that a box of candles over there? I think it is. I'm gonna have to do something about that as well. Okay, the struggle was real, but we got him in there. The struggle was real, but we did it. Now from here, it doesn't look so crazy and horrible. I'm super excited about this. This is the dumbest thing to be excited about, but you know, the simple pleasures. You want to take your nap? Yeah? Okay, we let you sleep. Okay, friends, I have to get practicing. Gonna edit this vlog, get it up for you tonight, kick butt at rehearsal tonight, and basically have a nice day off. We open the opera tomorrow, so it's like crazy right now. I'm feeling all kinds of tired, but I'm enjoying this VEDA. I'm enjoying making content every day for you guys. So if you like videos like this, if you like random organizing videos, go ahead and subscribe. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. I need a new tagline because people are missing stay neat. Should I just keep it? Should I just go with it? Dude, see you next time. Stay neat.